we have gained another today, 7,200 from SPNEC. It's Monday. Let's get it on again. Okay, welcome back traders. As you can see, nilet go natin yung pa dahil dalawa siyang red candle. And then, nag-cut loss tayo doon. Pinilitan natin siya ng SPNEC na nag-close siya sa 1.60. Ang breakdown ng binili natin ay mula alas 2:41 2:41 p.m. I've got 1.58 price ng SPNEC at 10,000 shares. And then next, 1.59 2:42 p.m. another one, 10,000 shares. 2:43 2:44 failed lahat. 2:45 and then ang last is 2:50. The rest na reject ng dalawa kong buy. So overall, meron tayong successful buy na we have 130,000 shares. Ang total value ay that's 207,300 pesos. Yun ang kabuang nabili natin ng SPNEC today. Good morning. It's pre-open of the market today. Monday, March 20. So let us check these stocks. So last Friday is closed green. This is the support level. And maybe this will be the resistance, 6511. Let us check SPNEC, the one I bought last Friday. So maybe the support is 1.64, this level. If mag-close siya na green today, itutuloy ko yung run ng stock na to. Kasi baka umabot pa siya ng 178 this level. We have the volume. What about MACD? MACD is above the equilibrium or the midline, and it's crossing also. RSI. RSI is projecting pataas. We're waiting. It's 5:20 a.m. and 9:20 in the Philippines. Every morning before the market opens, I read the news and see if it has effect on a certain stock. March 17, walang March 19. Press release for LTG. What is this? Market starts. SPNEC now 1.62. I have 0.67%, 13,000. It will rest. 1.58. Now it's going to 1.64. Should it break 1.64? I have now 1.9% at 39,000. Maybe I can sell on 1.65. No, it's already 164, 1.64 at 5,000, 2% at 5,000. Shall I sell? Or wait for it to run? 1.65, 6,000. It's breaking out. Sell ko kaya? And then balikan sa baba. So 130. I'm selling at 1.65. Boom. This is my sell order. So it's skewed. Ayan na, kinakain na. Boom. Bingo. Completed. You see this one, guys? It's filled. And this is the summary of our buy for SPNEC last Friday. So ito yung tranches. I have how many? 8 tranches. And then average buy. Total buy is 207,300. And nag-sell ako today at 9:37 a.m. or yeah, that's 9:37 a.m. in the Philippines. 1.65. At ang sell natin ay 214,500. So I have gain of 72,000 just for today. And we have gained another today, 7,200 from SPNEC. It's Monday. It's getting on again. 1.66. Umabot pa siya 1.67. Wow. Suave. I will wait. I am starting buying again because nag-bounce na siya sa 1.62, 63. Only a test. It's only a test. I have here 20,000 shares at 1.65. That's it. 2:51 p.m. Philippine time. It will close at 1.67 price. So I have quantity shares of 156,000. Market value is 260. So right now I already have 3.5 na gain for today. Magigitin natin tomorrow if I will sell again to take profit.